Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. This is just going to be a quick video showing you how I do pack when I travel. By the time this video airs, I'll be back from Miami, but I am packing to go to Miami for a few days for my daughter's birthday. So I'll only be out there 4 days. I'm just really bringing my away carry-on, the bigger size carry-on, and my keep all that I travel with every time I travel, and my never full GM, which is really a carry-on as well. Matter of fact, everything I'm taking is a carry-on. But I do pack with packing cubes. I don't pack travel anymore without packing in packing cubes. You'd be amazed how much space you save. You'd be amazed how many items you can get in those little small things if you roll up your clothes properly. You can get so much in one little cube. So I will show you how I'll be doing that. This video is going to be in fast forward motion so you can just get a gist of it. I'll be bringing a couple pairs of shoes, my Chanel Dad sandals and my Prada slides, and another pair of Tory Burch sandals just to wear around the room. But the shoes for the most part will be going in my keep haul. And since I'm just carrying a small piece of luggage, the packing cubes, the two that I'll be using, or three, they'll pretty much take up the whole luggage. But once again, your items will be organized in those packing cubes. It's just so much easier when you have those. I'm only bringing two purses. That's going to be the Telfar bag, yellow bag, and my pochette métis. And really the Telfar bag is going to be worn with both of the actual outfits I'll be wearing. My pochette métis is just really for traveling back home and when I travel to my destination. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut up and let you guys see how I do this. And Suki thinks she's just getting ready to get comfortable and roll my stuff up under her so she can lay down. She does this with the covers. Like, she goes through all this to try to figure out a way to lay down. It's hilarious. my keep all, I usually put my shoes in there. Not taking many pairs of shoes. Okay, so what I usually put in here is my laptop, this bag, Free People. I love that about Free People there. This is the bag that you get, that they put your stuff in when you buy something at the store, not online. So it's a sustainable, like, little shopper bag. And I just put extra mask I'll be bringing, put that in there. I'm gonna put wipes in there, more wipes, and more wipes. And I will also put in this little small thing of Lysol, hand sanitizer, and some lotion. So I will put that in there as well. I always put my blanket in there. The sunglasses I will be taking, they're gonna be these, my favorite Chanel sunglasses, and these Gucci sunglasses. Now these Gucci sunglasses, my bridge of my nose is like a little too small for this, so they like to slide, but I still like them. I just have to push them back up on my nose, but I still like them. So those will be the 2 pair of sunglasses that are going. And then any like magazines and all the electronic charging devices and stuff go in this bag as well. This is a mask holder. I just attached it to the outside of this. So, and it's Louis Vuitton inspired. It's not a real Louis Vuitton. So I have 2 masks, surgical masks in there. And I also keep a pair of fuzzy socks in this bag, because when I'm on the plane I put them on because my feet get cold, especially because I usually dress, like, since we have to take our shoes off and all that stuff, I usually wear slides or something simple on the plane. But once I get on the plane, if it's cold, I always keep a pair of socks in here. Okay guys, this concludes this video on how I pack when I travel. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.